This video training will show you how to reinstall or reset your Linux operating system. We are doing this on a Ubuntu server. The provider I'll be demonstrating with today is Contabo. Feel free to follow these steps on other providers because the steps are almost the same. Here I am on my Contabo's dashboard. Also log into your dashboard if you have Contabo as your provider. If you are not using Contabo as your provider, feel free to log into whichever provider you use. Next, we want to proceed to your services. Next, navigate to controls. On your provider, you should see something like controls. So just navigate to controls. And your provider will give you several options to manage your server. Something like restarting your server, starting and stopping your server, reinstalling your operating system, rescue your system, and taking a snapshot. So I hope your provider will also have these options. Now, in my case, I have Contabo as my provider, so I'm going to click on reinstall operating system. So I'll click on that. Also click on reinstall on your dashboard if you have that option. Next, take notice of this big warning. Your data is going to wipe off. So make sure you take a backup of your server, important files, configurations, and whatever, because this process, what you're about to do, will delete any service you have on your server. If you don't know how to take a backup of your server, I'll create a video and link it in the description of this video. Right now I don't have that video available, but I don't know when you're watching this video, so just check the description of this video and you should see a video that will show you how to take a backup of your Linux server. So once you are here and you've taken a backup of your server, now this is an option for you to reinstall your operating system. Make sure you are working with the right IP, the right server if you have multiple servers, because you might end up deleting a server that you don't intend to. So make sure you pick your operating system. Just click and you see a list of operating systems. In my case, I'm going to stick with my original operating system, the operating system that my server is currently running on. Next up, do you want this installation to come with a panel or not? In my case, I'm going to leave it as a blank installation, so installation without panel. Now let's enter or generate a password for our server. So you just copy this password and put it somewhere safe, because this is the password you'll be using to log in as a root user. Once that is done, make sure you check or you take this and then click on install or start installation. You're going to receive an email after the installation is or reinstallation is complete, and that email will contain your login information. So I'll proceed to click on start installation. So I'll click on that. Once you click on that, you see this pop-up, installation started. Close it and scroll down a bit and you see this pending. You can continue refreshing this window, and once the moment you see active, it means your operating system is reset or is reinstalled. Okay, you can also go back to check your email, the email you have with Contabo, and the moment you receive an email from them, that means your operating system is reset or reinstalled. Now, after waiting for like 20 minutes, your server will come back online. It depends on the provider you use. Now that our server is up and running, our first step or initial steps is to secure our Linux server. After you reinstall or reset your server, it's important you or you secure it or protect it. If not, it might get, or it will get hacked. Okay, not might, it will get hacked. So I have video in the description, a detailed video in the description of this video that will show you how to protect, how to secure your Linux server from getting hacked. Thank you for watching. Hoping to catch you in those videos. Bye bye.